Okay, so here is the Tennessee side of the Mississippi. We're crossing over the river. So, okay, here it is here. Whoop, oh, ignore that. So, okay, it's closed off. That's barricaded off. 13 foot 11, that means I'm compliant. Oop, there was a motorcycle. So it looks as though they interchanged this instead of off-ramping it. That's what that was, because right before the bridge, it was a clover leaf. There's Crump Boulevard. Okay, Crump was over there. So they're just continuing this off, and it looks like a roundabout. I'm not going to show it. Okay. So, oh, okay. They just made a continuation of this. So, I don't know what this be like during rush hour. I'm sure it's a bitch. But, all right. That is the update. But, I don't think many of you care about, okay, 13 foot 6, 13 foot 11. Oh, there's a failed presidential candidate. It's named after. So there's a Tennessee side. Oh, so they just ramped it. That's what that is. So, okay. They just continued it off and just made it an off ramp. All right. So this is how they hooked it up. So I don't know if this is considered finished already. I mean, there you go, right there. I mean, I guess. There's no digital billboards there on the Arkansas side saying it ain't. So this is already the Tennessee side. Yeah, this is already Memphis. So 14 foot 1. Okay. All right. So there you go, folk. I-55. So I guess that means that you could take 55 again. I guess. Hold on. Let's see up here. Crump Boulevard. All right. Does this mean end construction? Says anything over 13 foot 6, not shouldn't be here. Because before I'd have to do 369, is it 369 or 69? All right, and road work. All right, so there you have it, folks. There you have it. Memphis.